All right, welcome back again to my channel. How are you doing? Yes, this hour I want to go straight to a post made by AKPARAWA and ULT PB. This individual have mapped out their time just to insult PM. I think they are not getting tired of insulting the PM, or somehow nobody's paying attention and they're trying to go harder by insulting PM Simon Ekpa. Remember when Imam Adabo dish out, his own techniques by recruiting and promoting, enforcing on Biafrans after the redeclaration of Biafra. These guys mobilized themselves, built Kaba. They have built, they just introduced the Kaba they have built all these years. There's a video of PM Samanapa saying that some of you are in Kaba without knowing that you're in Kaba, meaning that he already knew that there's a Kaba around when he was here. So in his absence, the chairman of the Kabas begin to present their boys in different angle. They started by saying that DPM and Genuine Biafrans are trying to frustrate BLA by not supporting or announcing that very week that Biafran declared, Biafran nation USB government, that they need to conduct they must go out there and carry out fundraising for that week. They said that just to buy the mind and support from Biafrans, who of course have developed a special love for BLA. Then those of us that have this kind of our own way of analyzing things to digest information knew that something cooking behind the scene. Then AKPARAWA did not disappoint, because people have been expecting him to be this kind of person that always go out there to promote what is not good and pretend that he's for the people, whereas he's not. So there's kind of a commotion, disagreement, here and there. Then when Imam Adabo come from Ogenkere, start building his own because of money and all that, you know the story. AKPARAWA, of course, grew more wing, joining Ogenkere, because AKPARAWA being that on so people know him with this kind of character. What am I trying to say? When the man finally announced himself, that he is now the prime minister, AKPARAWA is the one that drafted that memo in absence of Imam Adabo, whom formed his own group that is leading, CRC, conflict resolution committee, that they have converted to become a government, and also as doing what he knows how to do best, enforcing fake information as if that is real, using Nan at this point in time, Mazakwa Chamaka Jere, using him to make it look like conflict resolution committee, CRC, and badge different government advising committee, something like that, to become the government of the day in their own because these guys have their delusion. These guys are highly deluded in so many ways. Just like what the Barrister said yesterday, you should ask them, what do they go to Finland to do? All right. Now, in that memo, we saw what AKPARAWA did there, lying to Biafrans, lying to everybody that this is what is needed to be done and all that. So yesterday, the man, put out a post, as you can see on the screen. We're going to go through that. But before then, please, I will encourage you to like the video, because we're going to make it snappy without wasting much time. So what did he do? Look at it here. 18 hours ago, as of time of recording the video, he said, God knows why he placed PM Ogechkunkere on that seat. It was for a time like this. Nigerian, EU, UK can play their last card now. We are in Washington, D.C. and not Finland nor UK. Okay. This is a fluff we are seeing here. When he started, I sent a message, I made a video, not warning him, advising him to remember how people cherish him and value him. AKPARAWA. People value him, because nobody actually knew he possessed this kind of level of sabotage, this kind of crazy spirit in him. Because what he's doing now is not ordinary. He's not showing his own true color. That's why they said, do not trust, a poor, do not trust the love or a promise of a poor man, because once you see money, anything goes. First thing first, he addressed, when you read this, you already know, you may be confused who this guy is referring to, but the picture explains everything. That he knows why he placed his own PM, which is this man you are seeing here in the seat. Now, what seat are you talking about? This chair that been lined up here. PM is here. Pay attention, please, because when they put this comment, one would think that he's next to PM. He's not. There's a vacant seat here. There's a vacant seat, as you can see here. Look at this chair, the color of the chair. You can see that. See another empty one here. One seat away to Genkere. PM, as a man of people, cannot tell him go back to last seat. And after this man, another person here is Imam Madab. The question is, who is this? Who is in the seat here? Or who is in this seat here? If by sitting very close to PM makes you a PM. You see, you can only see this kind of explanation and analysis from people who have criminal tendency, probably in their lineage, because there's no way you learn. So nobody cannot tell me that he learned this kind of sabotage, this kind of crazy, useless thing that he's doing now on the street. No, it must run in DNA. It must run in DNA. There's no way. There's level of sabotage that you don't get, you don't learn on the street. It must be rooted in your spirit, in your blood. It must be passing through your vein. And that is why if you look at had the cameraman captured the face of Imam Madab, you'd have seen that he's probably smiling, a man of many colors. A man of many colors. When it comes to sabotage and frustration. Recruiting what you don't know. Ogen's eyes is not even here. Look at where PM is looking at and where he look at his own face. This PM probably may be seeing things on the screen, whereas he's looking from the other way around. The eye contact doesn't mean much. I just want to call your attention, because when they put this kind of comment here, that God knows why he placed PM Ogechukwu on that seat. It was for a time like this. Can you just imagine? Nigeria and UK and Europe can play their last card. Now we are in Washington, D.C. This Washington, D.C. that have never yielded any fruit. Zero fruit. If you present one that is convincing, I will clap for you. Like we are clapping now for, Rachel was in Israel. To tell you that we are not being biased, we are being realistic. Those of them following them, they cannot even speak that and say the same thing. That's why when USB government achieve one or two things, they pretend they didn't see anything. It doesn't matter to them. It's just, you're talking nonsense here. It doesn't matter. Show me this, show me that. But truly, we know what is going on. I may like to, maybe, let's see the comment of their followers. Probably, maybe people that may have sense may be there. My only happiness is Nigerian terrorist government cannot influence American one bit. We are in DC moving ahead. Thanks to Elohim for using his Royal Highness, is it? Okay. His Excellency, Mazo Gechukwu, to make this happen. A criminalistic Simon Ekpa. His real name is Nnamdi Celestine. Criminals. This one is Okoro. Is it Okoronkwo? Okoronkwo said, his real name is Ifeanyi. Whoever that gives him Biafra, whoever that gives Biafra, whoever that gives Biafra, I will always talk about you, whether Mazamika, Samuel Ekpa or Finance Minister, aka Ogechukwu. All I want is let's unite together more and keep fighting on it. You are still a confused human being. Ogechukwu is not giving you Biafra. That's just the fact. All this signal is that Biafran restoration is very spiritual. That may say all this signal all this signal is that Biafran restoration is very spiritual. That this shape you are seeing is all of a sudden is not a spiritual seat. Doshi. That many are so very blind and the other blind, blind. He wasn't among those that have been screaming for years. He came in and he started the process, just like the way our former PM Chineke Pokwago, former came. You know, these people are very, very useless. Divine said, imagine this real criminal, okay? You think we don't know that Nkere is a criminal? If an idiot like you can attack MNK, which Ekpa has never done, it shows that what Ekpa said about you was true. You are a planted agent. So AKPARAWA is a very, very suspicious human being. That's not a fact. Ike Guru. So now, somebody now throw this to remind him official agent. If by, imagine, look at this one. Okay? So which of them is more closer? If you are judging by, so if to become a leader is not by closeness. A man that cannot even, that thing that DPM read, you know what he read in that declaration there, the speech, his speech, give it to read that thing smoothly as a leader of a nation. He'll be struggling. Shall we, maybe we want me to pull out this video again of Ogenkere interview with the gutter. Should I pull it out? You see how the man is, wobbling. He cannot even be proud of himself and all that. So let's not deceive ourselves. We actually understand what you guys are doing, and is a no-no for everyone that have his sense intact. Now let's go to ULT PB, another criminal colleague of AKPARAWA, a lady who joined Ogenkere immediately after the arrest and detention of PM Simon Ekpa, a well-known saboteur, a woman who have attacked PM directly when PM was here. All of a sudden, so I can understand when she said that his Ogenkere is not her PM. I understand, because the woman never for PM, just like Nkiru has never been for PM. Even in PM's absence, in Adadarama, why is such as platform, she appeared there and she made it clear to Biafrans that I didn't see PM to come before I come out. That is all about Mazamagano. Even Mazamagano himself, Nkiru was not for Mazamagano fully, because she was coming out from Peter Obi's political party, Labour Party, 2023. All of a sudden, they are now more Biafran than Biafrans. God knows why he placed PM. Look at it on the seat. It was for a time like he copied some AKPARAWA quotes. A very useless individuals, pretending they know everything. Look at the picture. They copied all this. PM, is friendly to everybody, highly, highly friendly to everybody. But in as much as he's friendly to everybody, show me anywhere, even your Ogenkere, anybody going through information on the system, very, very dedicated, very, very keen into the attention, very, 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 close in terms of understanding the template and what is to be done. When good two heads come together, it will always generate a very powerful result. What I've done, both of them have done, and the plan and the strategy. That's why the people always say that I know a lot. I know more than I do, more than I talk. Like the one that he present to you, what he said in the public, is just a pinch of the information that she actually know. But Judge Adekuchifeni no phone and uncle. She understands the template. She know what will be done. She had been there. She is still there, and she always be there. If you like, Hawk Transformer, that's what it is. It's not about pretense, it's about being truthful. Okay? Only just imagine how you guys are bragging that okay, start very close to PM. It's not a yardstick to measure who will be. And funny enough, you're not even bold enough to call his name. You said God knows why he placed PM. Very, very useless individuals. This level of insult needs to be stopped. for you to know people that it has something upstairs. The recent warning from DPM to Imam Adabo and his Mochomo Koma, Resno Koma, Mazapa, all these cockroaches, the other party. The recent warning to withdraw PM's name in whatever they're doing is not actually to stop them from going after Ogenkere, but they can use their name to do that. If they're proud, they say they are government. They are government, right? If you told them, they'll, oh, we are the one in charge of it, who want to go and see him and who don't want to go and see him. Oh, we are the one making sure that people are contributing money to pay. Criminals everywhere. I've seen some of them talk to me in the past. I don't want to mention names, not from Mamada, but they're not in Mamada, but although they say they're not, thinking that we are fools. They can fulfill our church and Mama on our church. They are denying they are not with Mamada, but truly they are. They are, but they're not proud of that. You refuse to accept number 3 gold, like 3. You refuse to accept 3 gold medals. You don't want that, but we ended up picking 2. Please make sure you like the video. Make sure you like this video and let me know what you think about it. It's funny, but it's not actually funny. Okay, seeing a grown-up men and women lying from their nose, lying with everything in them, polluting everywhere. In the job. If you deserve mercy of God, let it come. But you guys have done more harm than good. I'm going to end it here. Please like this video. Don't forget to like and share. I want to see your comment. Let me know what you think about all this course. Have you noticed the level of the criminality from Ogenkere and AKPARAWA? EUNICE is not disappointing. She knows this is what she knows how to do best. An arch enemy to PM. Very, very, very dedicated enemy to PM and Biafran movement. God bless you, my people. Make sure you like the video, like I said. See you again. God bless you. Take care of yourself.